I'm Todd Daniele, and today I'm going to be doing a blockout in Zbrush of a male head. Full credit goes to Ryan Kingslien. I had seen a video a few days ago where he showed his approach to doing a blockout, and he also shared some great brushes. I can't say enough good things about the brushes. Sometimes you see something on like a YouTube video or in a book or wherever, and it inspires you to try something different. So I think the best thing as an artist you can do is be influenced by a bunch of different people and never think that the way you're doing something is the right way to do it. So with that said, I saw the video and I decided to try what Ryan had done, but I did take a little liberty. So in his video, he pretty much uses a sphere, pulls out a chin, carves away where the neck would go. I used the Loomis head, so that's the first place I deviated. I had watched a video a while ago where they made a simple Loomis head. You can search it on YouTube and find out how to make one. And I kind of like to use that as my base now. So I use that. And then the other thing I used for the ear, Ryan's in his video sculpted the ear. I kind of like the idea of using like a primitive and blocking in the shape and then dynameshing it in, which is something you'll see like Shane Oslon does this really great character work. I think his approach, if you're doing something realistic, is still applicable, and I think it's a brilliant way to do it. So that's another way I deviated. And then the last thing is I use some different brushes. So I kind of like the smooth, stronger brush, and what I'm finding is, if you watch the video, you'll see, if you use smooth, stronger, you can create planes and get this really crisp kind of feel to things, and it makes it feel like wet clay. I kind of like that. It feels a bit more aggressive than a regular smooth, but controllable. I am using Ryan's basic technique, but I'm also using some Shane Oslon and some of my own knowledge and things I've done through trial and error, and mixing that all together. I'm also using a Philippe Faraut book where I sometimes look at the forms as I'm sculpting. So just be influenced by people that do the kind of work you want to do. If there are any questions, please post them in the comments, and if you like what you see, you can like and subscribe. And I'll post a link also in the description to Ryan's video.